In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Udemy Support quickly and effectively. Whether you're having trouble with the course, facing account issues, or simply need clarification on something, knowing how to reach the right support channel can save you a lot of time. Let's walk through the process together. Start by opening your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you use. In the search bar, type Udemy and open the official website once it appears in your results. When you're on the Udemy homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here you'll find several useful links, including one labeled Help and Support. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to Udemy's Help Center. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar under the heading How may we help you? This is where you can type a short description of your problem. Try to be specific so the system can show you the most relevant articles. Often these guides can solve your problem instantly. But if the articles don't answer your question, there's another option. On the right side of the page, you'll see a sidebar with additional links. Look for the one that says Contact Us and click on it. Once you do that, a chat icon will appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your direct line to Udemy Support. A chat window will open and you'll usually be greeted by a support bot that can handle basic questions. If your issue needs more attention, the bot will connect you to a live support representative. Describe your problem clearly so the team can assist you as quickly and accurately as possible. And that's it. That's the fastest and most reliable way to contact Udemy Support in 2025. Follow these steps and you'll always know where to go when you need help. Thanks for watching, and if this guide made things easier for you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.